What's up, guys? We are back here with another auto auction update, man, at one of my favorite auctions in town, man. We got a cool new lineup, man. You know, we've been having the same lineup, unfortunately, for a few weeks, more or less. But we back out here, man. If you guys are wondering what any of these cars are going to go for, please like, comment, and subscribe. And be sure to tune in tomorrow as that video will be out first thing in the AM. Without further ado, man, let's get right into it now, shall we? Alrighty, guys. First up, we got a 2008 Ford Focus, man. 142,000 miles on the dash. Pretty good looking Focus, if you ask me. Not really too much body damage. You got a little bitty king right there. No big deal though. We're missing a back wheel. It might be in the trunk. At least I'm hoping so. If we look at the inside, we do have some decent cloth seats. Not too bad of an inside. Could use a fresh detail. Kind of stinks in here, but no big deal. We do have, okay, this is for the computer, so maybe if we just leave that hanging like that, we might get it to sell just a bit cheaper. But I mean, it does look really good, guys. I wouldn't mind grabbing this thing right here. Really good looking car. What you guys think about the 2008 Ford Focus, man? I'm gonna pop the hood for you here and show you. We're missing an engine cover. Doesn't look too tampered with. Honestly, looks pretty decent. And it only has 142,000, man. What you guys think about it? Let me know in the comments below. Next up, guys, we got a 06 Hyundai Sonata here. 233,000 miles on the dash. Really good looking Hyundai Sonata. It does have the sunroof. Body looks to be intact. Headlights could use some restoration. No big deal there. The color is actually looking good. There's no paint fading or anything like that. Got nearly 250,000 miles. Pretty much a little bit more, but a little bit less than 250,000 miles. No big deal. Inside does look pretty good. I mean, it's a beige interior, so you can expect some stains and some black marks, but all in all, no big deal. Everything looks to be intact. Could just use a really good cleaning, of course. But all in all, it does look pretty fair. This is actually something I also would be liking a bid on as well. I think these are pretty decent Hyundai Sonatas, man. What y'all think about it? Let me know in the comments below. We got a 05 Hyundai Elantra here, guys. 109,000 miles. You guys already know that Elantras make me money. Like, those are like one of my favorite little auction cars, man. But we got a 05. The headlights are going to need some restoration. You're going to need hubcaps on all four. No big deal. So we got the headlight restoration, we got the hubcaps. This side does look to be a little faded, so we can actually maybe try to get our painting skills up, if you will. Or if you just want to take it to Mako, honestly, it doesn't even need it. You can sell it just like it is with like just some matching hubcaps. Because if we take a look at the inside, guys, the inside does look pretty clean, man. This is like the Elantras we've been seeing, guys, is like some of the cleanest little old cars we've been seeing. Definitely something I would bid on. Definitely keeping my eye on this one. The mileage is really low and it does look really good. I definitely wouldn't mind having this thing again. So we'll see if we can grab this for the low, which I think is going to go for, man. Let me know in the comments below. We got a 93 Nissan Pickup here, 138,000 miles. Does have a manual transmission. Looks like it's lowered. Whoever had this truck liked it a lot. I mean, they lowered it pretty low, guys. You guys just see how low it is. But I mean, other than it being low and looking like a Toy Story truck without the hatch on the back, it is a manual transmission. Pretty good looking interior. I mean, everything in here looks intact. I mean, it's not much in there, but does look pretty fire. I'm pretty sure this truck came from Hawaii or something like that, or whoever had the truck was Hawaiian, rather. But not my cup of tea. What you guys think about it? Let me know in the comments below. Alrighty, guys, we got a 97 GMC Sierra here, 1,500 with 202,000 miles on it. I mean, it's a 97, guys. I'm pretty much like a newer body style type of like truck guy, so these are a little bit old for me. It's just like I was born like 3 years before this, so me having a 97 is a little bit old for me. I'd rather have like at least a 2000 or something, man. Gotta have a new Millennium. If we take a look at the outside, guys, I mean, no body damage. I mean, it is a 97, so you are going to have a few paint blemishes. But all in all, I mean, it does look pretty fair in here, pretty decent inside. Got the little back seats back there, no big deal. 202,000 miles, man. What y'all think about it? Let me know in the comments below. We got a 06 Lincoln LS here, 165,000 miles, guys. Headlights is whooped. I mean, you guys already know that. You guys know after that Honda, it was just like a given. Every car was going to get the same treatment. But if we take a look at the inside, guys, it does look really, really good. Nice black leather interior, no rips or anything. This actually looks like a pretty decent car. Now, how reliable it is, I'm not really sure. But it does have the sunroof. So, I mean, you got a little something. It is the LS V8. I don't know how well these V8s hold it up, man, but oh dang, you got a little titty in that tire, man. You hit the road in this joint, it's a wrap. So better be careful whoever grabbing this, but it does seem pretty nice, man. I mean, if you guys think it's reliable, let me know in the comments below. But what y'all think about it? Alrighty, guys, we got a 2000 Dodge Durango here, 167,000 miles here. Pretty decent looking ride. I mean, not really much of nothing, honestly. Just a point A to point B car. But if you guys are into it, I'll just check it out with you. You guys know at the other auctions, I don't really check out these type of cars. But this auction is like the cleaner auction. So these cars are like, these type of cars at this auction is a good deal, you know? Got the third row, nice little interior. Everything in here looks to be intact. Looks pretty clean in the inside, honestly. Really good looking truck. Paint is faded a little bit, but no big deal. Really good looking truck if you want to go off-roading or something. I doubt it's the 4x, but I mean, you can go hit a little bit of dirt. What y'all think about it, man? Let me know in the comments below. Man, we got an 03 Chevy Silverado here, rebuilt title, man. Does have 195,000 miles. Pretty cool looking truck. It does have, if I'm not mistaken, the 5.3 motor that we put in our Camaro. Let's look and see. Boom. Yeah, it does have the 5.3. So we can literally take this motor out and throw it right in a Camaro or anything and LS swap that. But all in all, it does look really good. You got a little bit of rust showing, a little bit of bubbles and stuff like that. No big deal. A little ding right there in the body. Pretty good looking car, man. What you guys think about it so far? I mean, the interior is pretty typical. Nothing, kind of smells like mildew in here. That window is down, so maybe it's been down a long time. So these seats definitely need to be reconditioned. The bed is pretty whooped. You might be able to get this thing for super cheap. If I'm able to get this thing for like under $1,000, I definitely wouldn't mind grabbing it, judging it runs good. Because body wise, I mean, it's not that bad at all. Like, it's a work truck, guys. You guys, oh yeah, that's why. So we definitely need a passenger window. But all in all, no big deal, man. What y'all think about it? Let me know in the comments below. Alrighty, guys, we got a 99 Ford Expedition here, 180,000 miles. 189,000 miles. Got some rims with the centerpiece missing on these joints. Not really my flavor. You are missing a window back here, so maybe they broke this window and tried to break into the car. If we take a look at the inside actually does look pretty decent. Smells like cigarettes to some extent. No big deal. You got the little TV up there. Let's see if the ignition's in there. Okay, bet. We got the ignition. You would think since that window was out, the ignition would be like ripped up or something, because it just looks like they broke into them joints. But all in all, no big deal. I mean, it's an Expedition. But if you guys like it, man, I love it. What you guys think about it? Let me know in the comments below. Ooh, okay. Got that thing started. So it looked like they might have cut the exhaust or something. Yeah, they got a little exhaust leak on there. No big deal though. Seemed pretty legit. Oh, see, I didn't even see the ignition. Yeah, so this thing has got like exhaust, which is right under the door. So this thing actually might go pretty cheap. It's on E, no check engine light, or at least none that I can see. But this thing has definitely got an exhaust leak. We could probably price some stuff out today. You take a look under the truck. Okay, yeah, so it's coming straight out the header. That's what I expected. So all that thing needs is really exhaust. But yeah, guys, we don't want the woo-wop Dodge Ram. I'm actually cool on that. We got another Honda Accord here, man. We got a 2000 Honda Accord with 188,000 miles. Got a little tequila kick in the front here, man. Little tequila kick, no big deal. Headlights, you already know. We can just pop the hood really quick. Under the hood looks pretty great. Under the hood looks pretty great. Don't mind me, guys. I was just thinking about something while I was looking under the hood, man. Something totally different from what I'm doing, but anywho, pretty nice. I mean, it's a pretty old Honda, guys. So for the year, the inside does look really, really good. This thing definitely can be sold. 188,000 miles. Just got to fix up that front end, and you're good to go. No big deal, man. But yeah, what y'all think about the Honda, man? Let me know in the comments below. Okay, that thing dry. It running dry. Oh yeah. See, I can't even put this video out until this auction go by. I don't even want y'all seeing that. Dang, this van been here for like 3 times. 3 times this van been here. So I don't know. You guys don't really want the Ford. Matter of fact, it's an 03 Ford Taurus. 117,000 miles. The mileage is really low. There's a guy out here that buys these things every freaking auction, every Taurus. I know I can sell him this, but he only pays like crumbs, so it wouldn't be probably worth it for me to get it. But the mileage is fairly low. Judging it runs good. It'll be something to get off really quick. Something to really, I mean, you got a few little dings and dents. No big deal though, man. What y'all think about it? That thing coming straight out the header. Okay, this is more my flavor right here, guys. We got a 06 Hyundai Tucson, 106,000 miles. Really good looking truck. You guys know I had a blue one like this, and that thing sold pretty easily and pretty quick. Was a really good running truck. If we take a look at the inside, kind of looks like they might have some dirt or some blood down here. I don't know. It's a bunch of cigarette stains, that's for sure. Bunch of little cigarette stains, just dirt and gunk everywhere. This thing is like super filthy. Super filthy. Even the back. I would have the detail guy come out here before I even hopped in this car. That thing is so damn dirty. Oh my God. So that can only tell you you're gonna need a back window right here, unfortunately. This door handle over here is broke. So this thing might go, it might go pretty cheap, man. I think it's gonna go really cheap. I think it's gonna go really cheap. Does look, I mean, you can easily get this thing right. It does have low mileage, so selling this thing should be a breeze. Now under here, it looks like they never touched this thing. It is missing the engine cover though. But I don't know. But, man, y'all might as well keep it like that. I'm trying to get it cheap, man. Can't go get exhaust on it.
Oh, right. Sound like a damn race car.
Damn, that's crazy. Damn, so they about to go get exhaust on that, unfortunately. That would have just worked in my favor. But a little insider that the auctions do. A couple cars over here that don't run. The Charger don't run. The Altima don't run. The Mercury, of course it don't run. You guys remember we seen that 1977 two-door Mercury. This actually looks like the same size, just with a 4th door. That thing is green as hell in the inside. What is this? 1978. Okay, bet. So they came out with a 2-door. Then next year, this was that 4-door joint. Roof is super whipped. But yeah, no start on the Camry. 02 Camry, 139,000 miles. No start on it. I don't really know why. Oh yeah, we got a bunch of little parts out of the ordinary, man. So, oh damn, damn near dropped my whole damn phone. Inside look good. If you can get this thing started, this thing will be a freaking steal. 139,000 miles, no start on it. Man, this will definitely be something I'll be trying to start. That'll be the biggest thing. 139,000 miles. But got a little Honda. Y'all want a little race car? I know y'all been asking about the little Honda hatches. So, alrighty guys, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. If you're wondering what any of these cars have gone for, be sure to tune in tomorrow morning as that video will be out first thing in the AM. Man, what was your favorite ride here today? What would you have bid on? And what would you like to bid on? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, guys, I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.